Thermwood Corporation, the leader in CNC router technology, has applied that technology to production wood carving with our Model 80 CNC carving machine. This system has 8 spindles, able to produce intricate, high-quality carvings of flat parts as well as posts and legs. It can be programmed easily, right at the machine, and is simple enough to operate that it's practical for most companies. The Model 80 is the result of over 10 years' experience with CNC carving. It's a rugged, engineered steel structure that uses trackways and precision linear bearings. State-of-the-art digital servo AC brushless servo motors power the machine axes. It has 8 10-horsepower router spindles with variable speeds up to 22,000 RPMs. Up to 8 different tools can be used in production with completely automatic tool changes. The heart of the system is Thermwood's 91000 Super Control. This highly advanced CNC control is network ready and has been tailored especially for carving everything from unique servo loop designs to automatic and lead-through teach programming routines. The Thermwood Model 80 CNC carver is programmed right at the machine using the number 1 and number 2 spindle positions. A programming probe and the headstock rotation programmer are attached to the spindle plate. The programming process consists of an automatic surface scan to create the basic shape and surface of the part, and then 1 or more detail programs to add detail. Each of the programming steps scan the original pattern with a probe tip that is exactly the same size and shape as the cutter tool. The initial surface scan is an automatic process that uses a ball nose probe tip and cutter that travel the entire length of the part, shifts over, and returns until the entire surface has been scanned. This can be run overnight to minimize production disruptions. Detail programs are developed using square bottom and liner probe tips and cutters. During this process, the machine is guided manually over the detail to teach the machine the required path. Programming speed is irrelevant, so you can move slowly and carefully. The system then creates the most efficient program possible. This approach is simple and intuitive enough that even people with no carving experience can make efficient production programs. Final Finish software simplifies and smooths the program motions to reduce cycle time and improve finish. It's a standard part of the Thermwood CNC carving package. Now you're ready for production. After the part blanks are loaded, the system selects the first tool. The first pass is a full-width cut through the blanks, and you can specify the maximum depth and feed speed during the initial broach passes. With 80 horsepower worth of spindles turning at 22,000 RPMs, these passes occur quickly. The actual cutting speed depends on the shape and contour of the pieces being carved. The amount of cutter step over determines the cycle time and surface quality. The larger the step over, the faster the cycle, but the rougher the part surface. Smaller step over means longer cycle times, but smoother surfaces. Each company has to strike its own balance. When the surface has been defined, the first tool is replaced and the second tool retrieved automatically on all 8 spindles at the same time. The various detail programs are then executed. Carving 8 parts simultaneously generates a lot of sawdust. An integrated sawdust control and collection system minimizes cleanup by sending it into the base of the machine where air jets direct it to a 12-inch collection pipe. The result is efficient dust collection that also minimizes airborne dust particles. The Model 80 changes all 8 tools simultaneously, resulting in faster cycles and virtually eliminating tooling errors. It can be programmed easily. Production cycles are fully automatic and is simple enough to operate that it's practical for most companies. Thermwood machines and systems are versatile, reliable, and accurate. We're Thermwood Corporation, and we're first in CNC routers.